To earn your email badge, you will need to send me an email using Office 365. To do that, you need to go to the desktop of a computer at school and double-click on this icon. You'll need to sign in to Microsoft and then go to Outlook. Click on New Message. In the To line, you're going to start typing my first name, Cynde, and then click on my email. The subject line, just type email badge. And for a message, I want you to type something special about yourself. So I'm going to write, I have twin sons, and then click send. Once I receive your email, I will get you your badge.